In this video, I'll show you how to fix a bad idle or stalling after the battery was disconnected from your Rx8. Before we start, if you're new here and like Rx8 videos, then consider subscribing. Sometimes it happens that you disconnect your battery to do some work or install a new one, and when you reconnect it, the car idles very badly or it won't idle at all and stalls. There are two ways to fix this issue. One of them is copyrighted, so unfortunately I can't share it, but SX Rotary agreed to share their method. So if you guys haven't checked their website and new rotary store, then you have something to do after this video. Before we start, your car and all of its components must be cold. Next, turn the key so that all of the lights illuminate. You should notice that on your dash the DSC off sign is flashing and that your skiddy car sign is illuminated. Now pump the brakes 20 times fast until you see the oil pressure gauge bounce. Next, put your gear in neutral or park, feet off the pedals and start the car. Now leave it to idle and warm up naturally. In this process, you'll see the revs dropping, and if they drop too much and the car is close to stalling, then give it a little gas to keep it from stalling. Once it reaches its operating temperature, let it idle for 15 to maximum 20 minutes. This step is important as in this stage the ECU is learning how to fuel and run the engine again. Unless the car is about to stall, do not touch the throttle while it's idling. After 15 to 20 minutes, if your DSC off light is still illuminated, then you'll need to turn your steering wheel all the way to the left, then all the way to the right, and then return it to the center position. This should put out your DSC off light. After this, shut it off and restart it again. Your idle should be back to normal. But what if your car still keeps stalling on idle? Well, if you have followed the above steps and your engine will still not idle, then the ECU may need longer to learn. After you have given the car approximately 100 miles to learn how to fuel correctly, you need to turn it on while cold, let it warm up naturally, and after it reaches operating temperature, let it idle for 20 minutes. After that, shut it down and restart it again. And after this process, your idle should be back to normal. So let me know in the comments if this procedure helped your bad idling or stalling after you've disconnected your battery. And also, if you found this video useful, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on new Rx8 videos.